Good morning, dear. Wish that you are all healthy and fine. Please put your homework in front of you and let's solve it together. Exercise 6. Draw an orthogonal coordinate of unity graph. Here, please correct it. It's 1 centimeter on the abscissa axis and 1 centimeter on the ordinate axis. Okay, then I have to draw an x-axis and y-axis. Then what? Place in the system the points e minus 2 plus 3. The abscissa of e is minus 2, so this is minus 2. It should be somewhere here. Okay, I have plus 3. It means that I have to go up 3 steps. This is point e. F minus 3 minus 2. Minus 3 here, minus 2, it means that I have to go down 2 steps. This is point F of abscissa minus 3 and ordinate minus 2. G minus 2 minus 4, this is minus 2, I have to go down 4 steps. So here you can say that minus 2 to reach projection on y prime y at minus 4. The point of intersection here is the point G. H plus 2 minus 2, here is the point H. Justify the following. AG is parallel to y prime y. Look honey, here you have to prove that AG is parallel to y prime y. How to prove it? As we said before, to prove that a line is parallel to y prime y, it means that the points forming this line should have the same abscissa. Okay, let's look at point E and G. Here is point E of abscissa minus 2 and G of abscissa minus 2. Then the line forming by EG is parallel to y prime y. Okay, the points E and G determine a straight line EG, which is parallel to y prime y. Justification, because they have the same abscissa x equal minus 2. Now, how to prove that FH is parallel to x prime x? To be parallel to x prime x, they should have the same ordinate, which is y. Okay, F and H, F minus 3 minus 2 and H plus 2 minus 2. They have the same ordinate, the same y. Okay, so I have to say the points here F and H. Okay, since they have the same ordinate, then they are parallel to x prime OX. Fine? Exercise 8, let's solve it together. We consider an orthonormal system. Keep in your mind, we talk about orthonormal system when we have the same unit on the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, here the unit is 1 centimeter on abscissa and ordinate axis. Okay, so I have to write it to draw both axes with the origin O. I have to write here numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Positive values to the right and negative values to the left. Okay, according to y-axis, the numbers with positive value should be upward and the numbers with negative value should be downward. Okay, place in the system A 0 plus 3. Abscissa 0, ordinate plus 3, it means I have to go up 3 steps, so this is point A. M minus 3, 0, the abscissa is minus 3. 0, it means that I shouldn't go up or down. Here, it's the point M. E 0 minus 3, the abscissa is 0 and I have to go down 3 steps. So this is point E. R plus 3, 0, here is plus 3. Since it has ordinate 0, then it belongs to x-axis. Okay, we said this note before. Any point that has 0 abscissa belongs to y-axis. Any point that has 0 ordinate belongs to x-axis. This is point R. Now, what does origin O represent for the segment? This is origin O. Represent for AE and MR. The distance from O to A is 3 centimeter. Okay, here 1, 2, 3. The distance from O to E is also 3 centimeter. So O is the midpoint of AE. Again, the distance from O to M is the same as the distance from O to R, which is 3 centimeter. So also O is the midpoint of MR. Okay? We have to write M and R are 2 points having 0 ordinate and opposite signed numbers in the abscissa, which are -3 and +3. So A and M are symmetrical with respect to O. It means that O is the midpoint of AM. Also A and E, they are 2 points having 0 abscissa and opposite signed numbers, which are +3 and -3. So M and R are symmetrical point with respect to O. That means that O is the midpoint of M and R. Therefore, as a conclusion, the origin O is a midpoint of AE and also it's a midpoint of MR. Please write the answers on your copybook and thank you for your attention.